The oral microbiome, the key to a happy gut and healthy life. Your mouth is home to millions of bacteria, but before you reach for that mouthwash, did you know that not all bacteria are bad? In fact, the bacteria in your mouth could hold the key to a healthier gut and immune system. The oral microbiome is often overlooked, but it's a crucial piece of the puzzle when it comes to our general health. Before we dive in, let's hit that like button and get ready to revolutionize the way we think about our dental hygiene. What is the oral microbiome? The mouth harbors a diverse and intricate population of microorganisms known as the oral microbiome. These microorganisms, mostly bacteria, are found on the surfaces of the teeth, tongue, and gums, and they aid in maintaining oral health. The oral microbiome is distinct from the gut and skin microbiomes due to the unique environmental conditions found in the mouth that are suitable for certain microorganisms to grow. The oral microbiome serves multiple functions. It aids in food digestion by producing enzymes that convert complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars. It helps maintain oral hygiene by outcompeting harmful bacteria that contribute to tooth decay and gum disease. The oral microbiome plays a role in the development of the immune system, as the bacteria found in the mouth stimulate immune cells located in the saliva and lymphoid tissues. The importance of the oral microbiome extends far beyond just maintaining oral health. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance in the oral microbiome, has been linked to a range of diseases, including inflammatory bowel disease, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. Furthermore, research has found that poor oral health can increase the risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and respiratory infections. These findings suggest that the oral microbiome can impact the entire body, including the immune and cardiovascular systems. The connection between the gut and oral microbiome. Interestingly, there is a connection between the oral and gut microbiomes, as both ecosystems are connected through the digestive system. The oral microbiome serves as a reservoir for microbes that can colonize the gut, and it is thought that the oral microbiome takes part in shaping the gut microbiome during early childhood development. Furthermore, studies have shown that changes in the gut microbiome can have an impact on the oral microbiome, and vice versa. The Human Oral Microbiome Database, HOMD, is a resource that is working to identify and sequence the microbes in the oral microbiome to promote a better understanding of the role of mouth bacteria in human health. Disease-specific patterns in the oral microbiome can be detected and explored for their possible usability for the early detection of disease. Certain biological molecules within the mouth have already been established as having a clear link with oral cancer, and ongoing research is exploring the potential of using the oral microbiome as a tool to detect diseases and decide on appropriate treatment. One of the most concerning diseases associated with oral bacteria-mediated gut dysbiosis is inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. Studies have shown that the bacterium P. gingivalis, commonly found in the mouth and associated with periodontitis, is acid-resistant and can migrate to the colon, leading to changes in colonic functions. P. gingivalis is often associated with dysbiosis in the gut microbiota, leading to changes in gut permeability and bacterial translocation, which can cause endotoxemia and systemic inflammation. Animal and human studies have suggested that P. gingivalis can modulate the microbiome of the gut and cause changes in gut permeability, leading to metabolic disorders and systemic diseases. This finding suggests that the treatment of periodontitis and gastrointestinal disease may need a coordinated approach in the future. Having a healthy oral microbiome is crucial not only for maintaining good oral health, but also for promoting overall well-being. To promote a healthy oral microbiome, consider the following tips. Presence of saliva. Saliva is a crucial component in maintaining a healthy oral microbiome. It contains antimicrobial substances that help protect against harmful microbes that can cause dental issues such as cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. One way to promote the production of saliva is by smelling your food before eating. Smelling stimulates the salivary glands, leading to an increase in saliva production. Chewing also plays a significant role in saliva production. The act of chewing sends a signal to the salivary glands to release more saliva, which helps neutralize acids produced by bacteria in the mouth. 2. Avoid sugary foods. Sugar is the enemy of healthy teeth and gums. Consuming sugary drinks like soda, sports drinks, and sweetened coffee can lead to an imbalance in the oral microbiome. The sugar in these drinks feeds the harmful bacteria in your mouth, leading to the production of acid that can erode your teeth over time. Instead, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or natural fruit juice. 3. Avoid acidic drinks. Acidic drinks like soda, energy drinks, and fruit juices can harm your oral microbiome. These drinks contain high levels of sugar and acids that break down your teeth's enamel and create an environment for harmful bacteria to thrive. To promote a healthy oral microbiome, it's important to limit your intake of these drinks and opt for water or milk instead. If you do choose to indulge in an acidic drink, use a straw to minimize contact with your teeth and rinse your mouth with water afterward. 4. Tongue scraping. Tongue scraping might not be something that you have considered as part of your daily oral hygiene routine, but it's a simple and effective way to promote a healthy oral microbiome. The surface of your tongue is home to millions of bacteria, dead cells, and food debris, which often leads to bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease if left unaddressed. By using a tongue scraper, you can remove this buildup and improve the balance of bacteria in your mouth, reducing the risk of oral health problems. 5. Stay hydrated. When you are dehydrated, your mouth becomes dry, creating an environment where harmful bacteria can thrive. Drinking plenty of water helps to wash away food particles and debris that build up in the mouth and also promotes the production of saliva, which has antibacterial properties. 6. Don't smoke. Smoking is a habit that's tough to kick, but the benefits of quitting go beyond just your lungs. Smoking is a well-known contributor to gum disease and oral cancer and can lead to bad breath and stained teeth. Additionally, smoking can damage your immune system, making it harder for your body to fight off infections and diseases. 7. Use of mouthwash. Using certain oral care products can also help promote a healthy oral microbiome. For example, colloidal silver is known for its antimicrobial properties and can be used as a mouthwash to kill harmful bacteria in the mouth. Another option is to make a homemade mouthwash with baking soda, which can help neutralize acids and freshen your breath. However, it's important to remember that mouthwash should not be used as a substitute for brushing and flossing. Instead, it should be used as a supplement to your regular oral hygiene routine to help maintain a healthy oral microbiome and prevent oral health issues like cavities and gum disease. 8. Frequent chewing. Chewing on licorice can help reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, and promoting a healthy oral microbiome is also a good move to strengthen your jaws and promote overall oral health. The act of chewing on licorice root can help strengthen the muscles in the jaw, leading to better jaw function. Additionally, the natural sweetness of licorice can satisfy sugar cravings without causing harm to the teeth. 9. Regular brushing or flossing your teeth. Brushing twice daily for 2 minutes each time helps to remove food particles and bacteria from the surfaces of the teeth, preventing the buildup of plaque and tartar that can lead to cavities and gum disease. Flossing also helps to remove bacteria and debris from between the teeth and gums, reducing the risk of inflammation and infection. 10. Finally, diet. What gets in, goes out, and this applies to our oral health too. Eating a balanced and nutritious diet can promote a healthy oral microbiome, which in turn supports our overall health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide the essential vitamins and minerals necessary for optimal oral health. On the other hand, a diet high in sugar, processed foods, and acidic drinks can create an environment in the mouth that encourages harmful bacteria to thrive, leading to an imbalance in the oral microbiome and potentially causing dental decay and other oral health issues. By incorporating these easy tips into your daily routine, you can take control of your oral microbiome and give those pesky microbes a run for their money. Conclusion: thanks for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed discovering the wonders of our oral microbiome and the impact it has on our overall health. Don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Let's continue to explore the fascinating world of microbiomes together.